Behind heavy security, children from the West Texas polygamist sect began submitting DNA samples. A judge ordered their genetic material be collected so the state can determine which children belong to which parents. The 437 children have been in custody since early April.
It makes it more difficult when you get matches, because if a number of these individuals are related to one another, there's a chance that they have the same DNA sequence size in common.
One local professor says since the fundamentalist Church of Latter-day Saints community is small and tends not to marry outsiders, this could complicate the results. He says investigators will have to winnow down samples by testing many times over to find exact matches.
I wouldn't be surprised if we're talking about months to get all of the data back.
Lawyers for some of the mothers still inside with their children at the holding center filed a temporary restraining order in court today. The judge didn't make any decisions, but they're asking that the mothers not be separated from their children once the DNA tests are concluded.
I just spoke with the attorney for CPS approximately 20 minutes ago, and he said they're planning to move them out after DNA testing. We're not going to tell you. That's why I don't think we're going to get notice.
Also in court, lawyers argued that FLDS women were not allowed more freedom to pray with their young ones inside the Coliseum complex. The state thinks if it doesn't monitor them closely, they'll conspire to tamper with witnesses in the case. Texas authorities raided the Yearning for Zion Ranch after a phone caller, purportedly a teenage girl, claimed she lived in the FLDS camp and said she was raped and abused. The girl has not been found. Law enforcement took the kids into custody because social services believed the environment would be harmful to children. John Mone, The Associated Press, San Angelo, Texas.